I just filmed my workout for 2019, like getting into a 2019 routine video for you guys, and I was about to walk to Starbucks after I was done with that video because I was gonna go edit, and it's sadly raining. I actually think it stopped raining right when I said that. I'm just kidding, it is still raining. I don't know if I'm gonna go anyway or not though, because I do still really want a coffee, and I'm not quite bougie enough to order one to my house, so I might brave the rain. I feel like if I like bundle up enough, maybe I won't notice it. I don't know. I do have mixed feelings about it though because I am sick, so maybe I should stay here and rest, but I really would like a coffee. It is freezing out. I'm walking to work, which is how I usually get there. I think I've talked about that before. I know it's January, but I was kind of led to believe that Maryland doesn't get that cold. And I don't think I agree. It's a little bit warmer than Massachusetts at any given time, but it's not warmer enough to make me feel like it doesn't get cold here. And I do overall really like the walks to work in the morning. And because I get to, breathe in some fresh air before work, get a little bit of sunshine. I get to see a lot of dogs. I was going to take a video of that guy's dog, but then I thought that would probably creep him out. He might not like that. I always want to do things like that, and I have to remind myself of normal social boundaries. So, Okay, I won't take videos. Oh, you might get to see it in the background, though. You might. If you're lucky. If you're blessed, you'll get to see that guy and his dog. Oh, he's too far gone already. Maybe you were blessed before. I'll look back when I'm editing this. So when it started being cold, I stopped enjoying this walk nearly as much, even though it is beautiful. I'm very grateful to be able to walk through the woods and see all of this beauty and everything, but I'm freezing. So I'm at Garrett. I love being here, obviously, because I love Garrett, but also just because I know where everything is. Come in, I'm filming. Oh, so close. I like times like this, because I don't know, Maryland is just, I don't know if it's just in my head. You're just dumping out his old lattes to make way for the new. Ew. So I don't actually get a real cup holder.
I'm literally going to throw these out.
Oh, thanks, you're a hero.
Can you put, got it. I wonder what you did.
For what?
Pissed that girl off. When I went in there, she gave me the stank eye.
I see, the thing is that I think either she must dislike me in particular, which I don't see how that could be the case since I don't know her, you know what I mean? I have no idea who that is.
Don't text and drive.
Stop. Oh, you're just putting the address in. Or not, oh yeah, it's fine. But I think that she either knows me and doesn't like me in particular, or that's just what she looks like. Do you know what I mean? Like she just has some RBF. I had to think really hard about the letters of that.
You don't know the acronym to that?
I don't use it regularly. Do you? Oh my god, you go around calling girls that? Don't do that.
How do you call girls that? Do they have that?
Okay, whatever. You know what
No, I don't.
It's green. You can rewrite the stars.
We're gonna be late, but that's okay.
This will let us in, right? Do we have to pay for this?
Oh.
Yeah, we're not professional enough yet.
It's like a peewee, sounds like a you problem.
Can I tell you that yesterday my aunt and I were talking, because we were talking about that, oh my gosh, that lady, the crazy lady at my mom's party.
Oh.
And what if I told like a whole story about that? I was telling my mom that I was like, what if I made a YouTube like story time that was like I almost got into a fight with a 40-year-old lady. My aunt was like, you know what, you should like think to yourself whenever you have that, you should think like a St. Anne's kid and say it sounds like a you problem. And then she was like, don't ever say that to Garrett though, because he'll get flashbacks. So I was like, Garrett and I say that to each other so much because we never stop hearing it at St. Anne's.
My butt won't roll.
It is.
Yeah.
You not like that? Or
No,
you like
I want
it? Oh. I'm so glad it can be there for you.
So don't hereby give Facebook permission.
Oh my god, shut
any
up.
of my images. You know what would be great right now?
What?
Sunglasses.
I told you to let me check for them before I left last time.
I saw you wear them.
I wear them tanning.
Let me check for them.
Say that it's possible.
We can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Something.
That's good.
Baseball. It's amazing.
Please.
No.
He was trying to remember Missy Elliott.
Can you just put it down? Can you just put it down?
He was trying to remember Missy Elliott, but he said, oh, I remember now.
Stop.
Pussy Elliott.
Stop. Snackapalooza right there.
Good for the seagull. These seagulls are fast. You're right. My god, I love this actually. This is so cool. Okay, yeah, look at the size of these seagulls. Oh yeah, that was the one I was originally zooming in on. Which one, the middle one? It's a big boy. Tell him. Really? Oh my god.
It's okay. They're not that expensive. I'll keep them.
So a quick update, my flight home was diverted to Philadelphia because it's snowing in DC. So I'm here in Philly and I'm actually pretty excited. I'm ready to make the most of it. My flight isn't out until 4 p.m. tomorrow and my work was canceled anyway, so I have nothing to worry about. I have like a big hotel room to myself. I'm gonna go explore Philly a little tomorrow and honestly, it's really not so bad. I'm gonna end this vlog here just because I'm exhausted. I'm totally beat. I'm ready to just sink right into this bed and forget about all of this traveling mess. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you liked following me around this past week, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more vlogs like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!